How's that for an old Wood-Mizer? Little truck here. It's like a little tiny skidder truck. That's cute. I wonder what the year of this one is. Look at that. Oh my goodness, and all the attachments. Huh. Alright, so that brought in all the big logs here. Look at that. And the Wood-Mizer hydraulic. Look at all that. Wow, antique. For sure, huh? How do you like that?
Starting at 10, ending at 10 at night. One long show.
Wow. Isn't that nice? Alright, so here's a couple of nice antiques. Look at the big logs they brought in. Look how long. Whew. The width of that one. Makes you wonder the year, huh? You're supposed to be able to count the rings on the tree. It'll tell you how old it is. Alright, this is at the Topsom Fair. You can all come and see it.